Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nuke Studio on Windows for color and VFX step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Windows system meets the minimum requirements for Nuke Studio. Visit the Foundry's official website to download the Nuke Studio installer. Locate the download section and click on the appropriate link for the Windows version. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the Nuke Studio installer file to initiate the installation process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Select your preferred language from the installer options. Read and accept the license agreement to continue. Choose the installation directory for Nuke Studio or use the default location. Next, select the components you wish to install, such as Nuke Studio, Nuke, and additional plugins. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take several minutes. Once finished, a completion message will appear. You can choose to launch Nuke Studio immediately by checking the box provided. Click Finish to exit the installer. After the installation, locate Nuke Studio in your Start menu. Double-click the Nuke Studio icon to open the application. For first-time users, you may need to enter your licensing information. Select your licensing type, either node-locked or floating, and enter the appropriate details. Once your license is validated, you can start exploring Nuke Studio's features. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to enhance your color grading and VFX workflows. Now, you are ready to begin your projects in Nuke Studio on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.